It's nice of you to drop in.
Okay, you've got me. Now what?
Relax, dear boy. We came as friends.
Don't give me that. You guys are wanted by the FBI.
Flash, public enemies number 1 and 2 were captured by the FBI today.
Okay, so you're clear. But I still don't get it.
It's simple, friend. We just want to be friends.
Sure, pal.
Ooh, a roast turkey.
But we ain't got no table to put it on.
I can fix that.
Ah, the magic bag.
There you are. I'll get it. Poindexter.
Hello, Mr. Felix. You remember Martin the Martian?
Sure. Hello, Martin. A master cylinder.
Hello, Felix.
Welcome, Mr. Cylinder.
Happy birthday, Felix.
Here, here. Likewise.
My birthday? I forgot all about it.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoy opening and closing VHS of Felix the Cat cartoons. Did you know the voice of the professor was played by Jack Melser? Jack Melser was the guy who does the Popeye voice from the 1930s throughout the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. Yep, Felix the Cat was just like compared to Mickey Mouse. 30 years later, they made like Felix the Cat the movie that I have on VHS, made in the early 1990s. That wraps up for the opening and closing VHS of Felix the Cat cartoons. I'll see you next time for more of the opening and closing tapes. Till then, try to subscribe if you like the video or not. Bye.